Okay, now we get to have some fun with some challenges. Click reset, and then under runner 2, turn on show graph and show animation. So click reset, number of points to 2, and we now have a second runner. Now, we have to complete a couple of challenges and then take screenshots and paste them in. So set the number of points to 2. Create a race where runner 1 wins. All right. Right now, in this race, blue's going to stand still the whole time. So they're definitely not going to win. And then the red will make it to the 30-yard line. We are calling the 40-yard line the finish. So just to confirm, yeah, blue runner is not doing anything, and the red doesn't even make it to the finish line. So you can't win a race unless you get to the finish line. So we need to make sure that our runner gets to the finish line at the 4-second mark. Okay, because we've only got 2 points. Now the blue can be anywhere along here except for the 40-yard line, because that would be a tie. So we need them to have any other scenario. Click reset. Now, when we watch down here, red pulls ahead, and boom, red gets to the finish line, blue does not. Red gets to the finish line first, and then so red wins the race. So I can take a screenshot of this and paste it in. Here I need just to kind of reverse that. I need runner 2 to win. For this one, create a race where runner 2 catches up to and passes runner 1 on the way to winning. Now, this is tricky because I've only got 2 points, so you cannot change the fact that you're stuck with 2 points. That to catch up means that in order to catch up, that means that runner 2 has to be behind runner 1 at the beginning of the race, and then passes runner 1 on the way to winning. And that means runner 2 needs to win. So for question 3, with only 2 points, you need to start off with red ahead at the beginning of the race and blue winning the race. So that's a little tricky. Blue has to catch up to and pass and win. All right. For question 4, set number of points to 2. We have to create a race where runner 2 is going in the opposite direction as runner 1. That should be pretty easy to do. And then for this one, create a race where each runner goes at a different speed, but they reach the finish line together. So for question 5, they need to be at different speeds, but end up tying for a win. So good luck with that one. We can answer these questions, hopefully. And then finally, this is kind of fun as a challenge. For runner 2, turn off show graph. Okay, runner 2, show graph. Okay, click reset. Click new to generate a random graph that you can't see for runner 2. So click new. All right. Now, click start and watch her run. Then try to adjust the graph for runner 1 so that his movements match the movements of runner 2, and then turn on show graph to check out how you did. So right now it looks like blue at 0 seconds is going to be between the 20 and the 30, but close to, okay, let's get that out of the way. Closer to the 30. So we'll stay there. That looks about right. Okay. Remember that these are diagonal. So let's bump them just a little bit more, like there. Well, that looks like it. Good. And then it looks like blue doesn't quite make there. So now your job is to make red match what blue does. And then click show graph. And yeah, so it looks like my red line and blue line, I have perfectly matched what they created. Now, where it gets interesting, let's set the number of points to 4, turn off the graph, and hit reset and click new. Okay, now I have to match what blue does. So right now, red needs to start just shy of the 20-yard line. And notice how blue is facing backwards. That means we're going to start off by going backwards as well. And let's just take it from there. So blue, whoa, okay. Let's go ahead and have blue, red finish there. So now I figured out points 1 and 4. Now I have to figure out points 2 and 3. So click reset. It looks like there. Okay, good. Then blue is going to go about there. All right. So now when I click reset, reset. Starts off okay, looks good, looks good. All right. Now let's reveal. And sure enough, I crushed it. So anyway, if you want to have fun, set the number of points to 10, click new, and then have fun trying to figure out everything here that they did. All right. That's just something to kind of keep you occupied as well. Or you can go on to the practice quiz. But yep, that's it for Activity C. Go get them.